And now, a presentation by I got nothing. A presentation of Buying Dominican Republic. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 80 meters square condominium with parking and security, $2.25 a month, in great shape. It's got a private pool, and there's 8 units in this 3-story building. It's in El Batey, right down live. Augie Matrix Live. You're not a bot, and you're coming from Kick. Is that the platform you're watching? No. Looks like, what's this platform? Must be D-Live, maybe. Yo. What's that signal? Yeah, I think it's D-Live. Somebody was in on Kick. Twitch, Kick, and D-Live. That's the only interaction I'm getting today. Alright, so got a nice little patio, fully furnished. I think that's a 65-inch screen. Details to follow. Talk about mint. It's less, I don't know, it's about 3 years old, this building. Built by a reputable firm. Reasonable HOA fees. And it's lock, stock, and 2 smoking barrels. It's, I mean, there's nothing here. I've seldom go through properties where I don't have any suggestions to the owner. Other than she doesn't use the grill, the barbecue that's on the porch all that much, and it's, I mean, obviously useful, but it doesn't make for good showing. So I think we'll probably hide that gas barbecue. Other than that, it's perfect. It's set up, ready to go. Good for Airbnb, right down in El Batey. It's behind the former Superpola grocery store. And Airbnb would be decent here in El Batey because it's in a good central location. It's close to the 5, to the highway, close to shopping, and close to the action. But you're not right downtown in the middle of the chaos. So you're on the edge of El Batey. And you don't get cream puffs like this every day. And this is just one where you can walk in and nothing needs to be done. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 80 meters, $2.25 a month, HOA, secure location, 24/7 security at the gate. You need to get buzzed in. And I also have a need in the Victorian, in Cabarete Este, East Cabarete. If you know somebody that lives in the Victorian, and it's got a 1, 2, or 3 bedroom. Oh man, if it was on the 3rd floor, even better. Touch me up at 1-809-330-8926. That's 1-809. No, 1-809-330-8926. Call now. Call, text, WhatsApp is best. But this one, it'll be competitively priced in. Oh, I didn't edit the shoes out of this shot. How did the shoes make it in there? Oh, my client's going to have a bird. Not a bird. We'll fix it. We'll edit that out. And this is the pool. Right up in here. They make it a really efficient use of space. And so you've got everything you need here. Air conditioning, both bedrooms, main room, and pool on site. So Sunset Place, I can give you the map link on it. Let's just do it from here. Is it here? Yeah, here we go. This is your location. Oh, is that not hitting it correctly? I gave the right location, or did I? Oh, maybe I didn't click on. So this is exactly where it's at. So this is Sunset Place. I should have used that for the location, but this is the 2 buildings parking, entrance. Oh no, here we are. This is the building here. What am I doing? Let's move this. We need to move this thing. If we could do that. No, you can't move that. Here, let's drop it here. Ah, it's in the wrong location. This is the wrong building. This is Sunset Place. Oh, and you can't see any of it. What a dolt. Okay, display normal. Here we go. Now you can see. Okay. All that screwing around. So here's Superpola. Aquí. Here's the 5, the main intersection outside Superpola. And so this is the edge of El Batey. So you come down from Superpola, you got Susan Cafe here, and then you come to this street, you go up this corner, turn left at this corner, and we're right here, Sunset Place. So in relation to where it's at, to the rest of Sosúa, this is how far you are from the beaches, from the 5, and from shopping, right in here. So that's it. More on that later. All right. Peace, love, hug your neighbor. And I am out. Feliz Año Nuevo.